Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to learn more about statistics, exercise number 2, problem number 1. Question number 1. The given data is the following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital during a year. Age in years 5 to 15, 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65. Number of patients 6, 11, 21, 23, 14, 5. Find the mode and mean of the data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. So for this problem, we have to find mean, mode and mean. Both we need to find. Mean and mode. Given problem 2, we need to find mode. So here I took the table. In the table, age in years means we are taking as a class interval. Number of patients we are taking as a frequency. So mode formula first we have to write it. What is mode? Mode equal L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. Now from table 2 we need to find L value, F1 value, F0 value, F2 value and H value. Now you can take here frequencies. Once you have to observe highest frequency, that is 23, that one we are taking as F1. That highest frequency preceding class frequency we are taking as F0. This frequency succeeding class we are taking as F2. Here highest frequency is 23, that class you have to take. That class is 35 to 45. That one we have to say model class. So model class, lower boundary we need. So lower boundary how we are getting? The average of lower limit, that model class lower limit, that preceding class upper limit we need to take. Now again H value. H value means size of the class. Size of the class, how we have to get? The difference between any two successive class intervals lower limits, either upper limits we need to take. First we need to find model class. So 35 model class equal (35 to 45). Next L lower boundary. Lower boundary how we have to get? That class lower limit, that preceding class upper limit. That average we need to take 35 plus 35 by 2. 35 plus 35 is 70 by 2. 2 ones are 2 35s are. L value we got it here 35. Next F1 already we know. Frequency of the model class. So that is 23. Next F0. What is F0? Frequency of the class preceding the model class. Preceding the model class means this is 21. Next F2. What is F2? Frequency of the class succeeding the model class means that is 14. H value we know that difference between any two successive class intervals lower limits we need to take. So 15 minus 5. 15 minus 5 is 10 we can get. Now this all values we need to substitute here formula, we can get the mode. Mode equal L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L value how much here? 35 plus F1. What is F1? 23 minus F0. F0 is 21 by 2 into F1. F1 value is 23 minus F0. F0 value is 21 minus F2. F2 value is 14 into H value is 10. H value we got it here 10. Now we can take 35 plus 23 minus 21. 23 minus 21 value is 2 by 2 into 23 46 minus 21 minus 14. Minus 21 minus 14 value is 35 into 10 as it is. That equal 35 plus 2 into 10, that is 20. 2 into 10 is 20. 46 minus 35. 46 minus 35 value is 11. Now we are getting 35 plus 20 by 11. We need to divide. 20, 11 1 is 11, means 9 remained, 0.0, 11 8 is 88, means 1.8 we are getting. So 35 plus 1.8, 35 plus 1.8 is 36.8. So here we got the mode equal 36.8 we got it here. Now for this data only we need to find mean. Same data, that is age, number of patients. Now for this data we need to find the mean. So mean, what is the mean formula? Direct mean I am following. So sigma fi xi by sigma fi is the formula. So we know here fi means respective class interval frequencies, xi means class marks. So class marks how we have to get? The average of lower limit and upper limit only we need to take. Already we know that for this data only we got the mode is 36.8. Now we need to find mean, age, number of patients, it is given in the data only, class marks and fi xi I took in the table. These two columns I took extra. Now xi means L plus U by 2. So L means 5, U means 15. 5 plus 15, that is 20 by 2. 2 on the 2 10 the 20. Next 15 plus 25, that is 40 by 2. 2 on the 2 20 is 25 plus 35 is 60 by 2. 2 on the 2 30 is 35 plus 45 is 80 by 2. 2 on the 2 40 is Next 45 to 55, that is 45 plus 55 is 100 by 2. 2 on the 250 is Next 55 plus 65, that is 120 by 2. 2 on the 260 is 120. Now we got the xi values, we got it. Now we need to take fi and xi. So fi means frequencies and xi means class marks. 6 into 10, that is 60. 11 into 20, 11 20 is 220. Next 21 into 30, that is 630. Next frequency is 23, xi is 40. 23 into 40 is 920. 14 into 50 is 700. 5 into 60 is 300. Now we need to find sigma fi xi. Sigma fi xi means this fi xi is all we need to add. 60 plus 220 plus 630 plus 920 plus 700 plus 300. This all we are adding means we are getting 2830. Now here we can add this frequencies also. Sigma fi equal 6 plus 11 plus 21 plus 23 plus 14 plus 5. That we are getting 80. Now what we got it here, you can write it. Sigma fi xi equal 2830. Sigma fi equal 80. These two values we need to substitute in the formula, we are getting the mean. So mean x bar equals sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi xi means 2830 by sigma fi value is 80. 0 0 get cancelled. So 8 table 2 we can cancel. 8 1 the 8. 8 3 is 24. Means 4 remained. Means it is 43. 8 5 is 40. Means 3 remained. Next 8 3 is 24. 8 3 is 24 means 6 remained. 8 7 is 56. Means 35.37. So mean equal 35.37. So for this data only, we got the mode is 36.8, mean is 35.37. Interpretation of the data is mode age is 38.8 and mean age is 35.37 years. The maximum number of patients is 36.8 and the average age of the patients is 35.37. We observed here mode is greater than mean. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear friends and students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you.